If you're cruising through the Windy City or anywhere in Illinois and it's time to renew your commercial driver's license, you've come to the right place. Buckle up as we take a quick trip through the essentials of CDL renewal in Illinois. First things first. Why is your CDL renewal so important? Well, it's not just about staying legally on the road. It also ensures you're up to date with all the latest rules and standards that keep our highways safe. Plus, nobody wants to deal with the hassle of driving on an expired license, right? Now, let's break it down. In Illinois, your CDL is usually valid for 4 years. So keep an eye on that expiration date. The last thing you want is to find out your license expired right when you need it most. A little tip. Mark it on your calendar, set a reminder on your phone, or stick a note on the fridge. Whatever works best for you. When it's time to renew, you'll need to visit a driver services facility since online renewal isn't an option for CDLs. You gotta do it in person. Don't forget to bring along the current CDL, proof of residency, and any medical and self-certification documents required. Your current medical examiner's certificate is crucial here. Keep it up to date because an expired cert means you can't renew. Think you're ready? Great. But here's the thing. The renewal process can be a bit of a maze. It's important to have all your paperwork in order to avoid multiple trips. And let's be honest, who has the time for that? That's why our friends at Moving Authority are here for you. We know the process inside and out and can guide you every step of the way. From understanding what forms you'll need to making sure everything's filled out correctly. We'll take care of the hard stuff so you can focus on the road ahead. Now, let's talk fees. Yep, renewing your CDL isn't free. The costs can vary based on endorsements and other factors. So it's always a good idea to have a little extra in your wallet, just in case. And before we wrap this up, here's a quick story. I remember a buddy of mine who delayed his renewal till the last moment. He ended up in a crazy line at the DMV, and let's just say he missed a lot of his favorite weekend plans. Lesson learned, don't wait till the last minute. So, to all you hard-working drivers out there, keep your CDL up to date, stay safe on the roads, and let Moving Authority help you breeze through the process. Check out movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430 for more info and make your renewal as smooth as a Sunday drive. Thanks for riding along with us today, and as always, keep on trucking.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.